I'm Jennifer Stevens, president of UDA Technologies, and we develop a software called ConstructionOnline, which is project management software for the construction industry. We're really good at financials, like software and seeing where your financials stand. Selections is another great. I don't know how much you know about that, but all these different vendors here can link right into our selections within our system, so the client can do that, the owner can see it, and it's just a really great way to connect really all these different builders with the clients, with these vendors too. Trying to get people to get out of using Excel
What's new stuff?
and make more technology, because it's all on the cloud, it's on a mobile app. And I think you have to get them on board and give them the support that they need to do that, not only with training and knowledge, but even if you use a system or a technology for years, it changes. Something like this, I think, does definitely help bring awareness to builders and to, just me. I build homes too. That's how I started. I built homes and then we developed software. So it's just really interesting to see all the different technology that's been released